Welcome to this presentation on the measurement of ecological factors. Understanding how environmental elements influence organisms is essential in ecology. In this lesson, we will explore different ecological factors, their measurement, and the instruments used in the process. Ecological factors determine how organisms interact with their environment. These factors are broadly classified into two categories: abiotic factors, which include temperature, light, humidity, and soil properties, and biotic factors, which involve interactions such as predation, competition, and symbiosis. Measuring these factors is essential for understanding ecological balance. Abiotic factors are physical and chemical components of the environment. They include temperature, light, soil pH, humidity, and wind speed. Biotic factors, on the other hand, involve living organisms and their interactions, such as predation, competition, and mutualism. To obtain reliable ecological data, scientists use specialized instruments. These include thermometers for temperature measurement, anemometers for wind speed, barometers for atmospheric pressure, and pH meters for soil pH. Let's examine how these tools are used. Temperature is measured using a thermometer. For air temperature, a mercury or digital thermometer is used. Soil temperature requires a soil thermometer, which is inserted into the ground for accurate readings. Rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. The device consists of a funnel leading into a graduated cylinder. It is placed in an open area to collect rainwater, which is then measured in millimeters. Let's test your understanding so far. Answer the following multiple-choice questions before we continue. Humidity is measured using a wet and dry bulb hygrometer. This instrument has two thermometers, one with a dry bulb and another wrapped in a moist cloth. The difference in readings helps determine humidity using standard reference tables. Wind conditions are measured using two instruments. An anemometer is used to measure wind speed in meters per second or kilometers per hour. A wind vane helps determine wind direction using cardinal points or degrees. Turbidity, or water clarity, is measured using a Secchi disc or a turbidity meter. The Secchi disc is lowered into water until it is no longer visible. Light intensity is measured using a photometer or lux meter by holding it at the desired location. Let's check your progress again. Answer the following questions before we summarize. In summary, ecological factors shape the environment. These factors can be abiotic, such as temperature and wind, or biotic, like competition and predation. Scientists use specific instruments to measure each factor, ensuring accurate environmental assessments. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.